What if the most powerful eye in the cosmos just exposed a truth we were never meant to know? What if everything humanity has believed about time, space, and the birth of the universe is now hanging by a thread, ready to snap under shocking new evidence? The James Webb Space Telescope, built to stare deeper into creation than any device before it, has unleashed data so disturbing that a Nobel Prize-winning physicist has shattered his silence with a chilling warning. This is not our universe. Yes, you heard that right. In a tiny, unremarkable corner of the sky, drenched in ancient light, Webb captured what at first appeared to be a simple yellow smudge. Nothing special, until scientists zoomed in. Their jaws dropped. That faint blob wasn't just another distant galaxy. It was the most remote galaxy ever recorded, born a mere 290 million years after what we call the Big Bang. Here's the part that defies every textbook. It's too massive, too luminous, and too developed to exist so soon after the supposed dawn of time. By our current physics, there wasn't enough matter or enough time for a galaxy like this to take shape. Yet there it is, staring back at us like a cosmic glitch. And Webb didn't just find one. Dozens more of these impossibilities are now being uncovered, each one a paradox tearing holes through the laws of cosmology we thought were unshakable. And it gets even wilder. Some of these strange structures are so alien they don't even behave like normal galaxies. Regular galaxies convert maybe 10% of their gas into stars, but Webb has revealed at least 3 objects that appear to have converted 100% of their matter into blazing starlight. No gas, no dust, no leftover debris, just pure burning energy lighting up the dark. That's not just rare. By every accepted model of galaxy formation, it's impossible. This isn't just bending the rules, this is breaking them into pieces. Suddenly, scientists who have spent their lives mapping the skies are whispering questions they once would have laughed off. Could these galaxies be something else entirely? Are we even looking at the early universe at all? Or are we peering into a reality our minds weren't built to handle? These aren't just wild theories whispered in labs anymore. Papers are being rewritten, conferences are buzzing, and behind closed doors, researchers are asking the kind of questions that could topple entire careers. If Webb's findings are confirmed, our whole understanding of cosmic history might not just be incomplete, it could be completely wrong. A structure from another dimension, a remnant of a universe that existed before ours. Or could it be an invasion from a completely different reality? Whatever it is, what the James Webb Telescope has picked up is sending shockwaves through the scientific world. To understand why this has cosmologists losing sleep, we have to rewind for a second to something called the Hubble sphere and the observable universe. The basic rule is simple. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it moves from us, because space itself is stretching. But here's where things get wild. Once you reach a certain distance, known as the Hubble sphere, those galaxies are technically moving away faster than the speed of light. Now, by logic, that should mean we can't see them. The light from those galaxies shouldn't be able to reach us, ever. But somehow, we can see them anyway. Space itself is expanding so rapidly that it's literally dragging that light into our view. And the James Webb Telescope, it's not just catching glimpses of the edge, it's detecting signals from beyond it, light that should have never reached us. Think about that for a second. We might actually be seeing beyond the edge of our universe, beyond the line that separates our reality from something else entirely. Scientists are quietly admitting what no one dared to say before. Webb might have torn open a window into another cosmos. And that brings us to the most unsettling question of all. What if the universe never had a beginning? Some of the brightest minds, Nobel laureates, are now openly questioning the Big Bang itself. If galaxies could form faster than physics allows, if light can slip through cosmic boundaries like it's ignoring the laws of space and time, and if Webb is spotting structures that shouldn't exist according to any known scale or mass, then maybe we've been reading the universe completely wrong. Maybe the early universe isn't early at all. Maybe what we're seeing is a fracture, a scar in spacetime, where two universes overlap. Or worse, maybe something older than our own cosmos is seeping through, breaking the illusion of our timeline. And it doesn't stop there. One of Webb's most mysterious findings wasn't even an image. It was a sound. While recording the faint hum of the universe, Webb's sensors picked up a strange, rhythmic frequency, unlike anything ever detected. It wasn't a pulsar. It wasn't gravitational waves, and it wasn't just random cosmic noise. This signal repeated itself, perfectly timed, pulse after pulse, like a heartbeat from beyond time. Astrophysicists are split. Some whisper that it could be a message, an encoded rhythm written into the fabric of space itself. Others, more cautious, say it could be a new form of matter, something exotic, something that exists only outside our universe's laws. But here's the chilling part. That frequency isn't random. It follows a precise mathematical pattern, almost like something, or someone, wanted it to be found. And just when scientists thought it couldn't get stranger, Webb revealed another mind-bending anomaly. The telescope noticed that galaxies at the furthest edges of observation, those faint, ancient lights, appear to have gravity strong enough to bend space itself. They distort light, warp distance, and tug on neighboring structures. Yet no visible matter explains their power. This isn't just dark matter anymore, it's something deeper, something invisible, but undeniably real. Whatever it is, it's rewriting what we thought we knew about existence itself. It's no longer just dark matter, it's something else, something far stranger. Webb's newest readings hint at massive gravitational anomalies that have no known source, like invisible fingerprints pressing down on space-time from an unseen hand. These phantom mass fields aren't just oddities. They're a direct challenge to every equation we use to describe the cosmos. But where could they possibly come from? Some theorists are beginning to suggest the unthinkable. What we're seeing may not belong to our universe at all. We may be detecting the shadow of another universe brushing against our own. And here's where it gets even more radical. For decades, a fringe idea lingered at the edges of cosmology, dismissed, mocked, forgotten. It proposed that our reality has a mirror twin, not metaphorically, but physically. A universe where time flows backward, where the laws of physics run in reverse compared to ours. Now, that once ignored theory is creeping back into the mainstream, fueled by Webb's explosive data. What changed? The telescope has captured evidence of particle behaviors and rotational patterns in distant galaxies that simply shouldn't exist if our cosmos is isolated. These asymmetries hint at two overlapping systems, two cosmic frameworks tugging at one another. It's as though our universe is being gently pulled one way while another one just beyond reach is drifting the opposite direction. If true, then this isn't just speculation about a multiverse. We might be entangled with a shadow reality right now. Not a separate somewhere else, but a mirror fabric touching ours at the edges of space and time. And then came the twist that sent chills through the astrophysics community. One of Webb's long-range instruments locked onto a light signature at the farthest edge of the observable universe. It was supposed to fade away forever, as ancient light does. But instead, against every prediction, it reappeared. Not from the same direction, not from the same time. Yet it carried the same spectral fingerprint, as though the very same beam of light had been sent out and somehow bounced back. What could possibly cause such a phenomenon? Webb may have just recorded a cosmic echo, but an echo of what? Two options remain. Either the light circled the curvature of a finite universe, which would imply space itself is enclosed, or it struck something at the edge, something capable of reflecting light, something we didn't know was there. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to peel back the veil of time and reveal how the universe began. Instead, it's doing something far more unnerving. It's showing us that our universe may not be alone. The impossible galaxies, the phantom masses, the mirrored patterns, the rhythmic pulse, the returning echo, each discovery chips away at the illusion of certainty. Every piece cracks the comforting idea that we truly know where we are, when we are, and what we are. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist already warned us. This is not our universe. Maybe that's the truth humanity was never meant to face. Maybe we're drifting on the edge of something ancient, massive, and indifferent. A deeper structure, a larger reality, a universe behind the universe. So now the question isn't whether we're alone in the cosmos, it's whether we're even in the right cosmos at all. Tell us in the comments below. Do you believe the James Webb Telescope has already glimpsed another universe? Or are we just beginning to crack the surface of reality itself? Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video, because the cosmos just blinked back, and whatever is out there has seen us.